Hello everybody, we are doing chapter number 6 fractions and our today's topic is equivalent fraction. Now you must be thinking what are equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions are those fractions which represents the same part of a whole, the same part of a whole. For example, I have drawn rectangles on the board, right? These are rectangles. In the first rectangle, how many parts are there? 2. And how many are shaded? 1. So what is the fraction? 1 upon 2. Correct. The fraction is 1 upon 2. Right? Now in the next rectangle, how many total parts are there? There are 4 parts. I have divided the rectangle into 4 parts. And how many are shaded? 2. So what will the fraction? 2 upon 4. Right? Now, in the third rectangle, it is divided into how many parts? Yes, it is divided into 6 parts. And how many are shaded in this? 3 parts are shaded. So, what will the fraction? 3 upon 6. Correct. The fraction is 3 upon 6. Now, when we see all the 3 rectangles, what we see? In all the rectangles, half of the portion, this is a rectangle. In this, half of the part is shaded. In this also, it is divided into 4 parts and 2 parts are shaded. That means it is also half shaded. Next, this rectangle is divided into 6 parts and from it 3 parts are shaded. This means this is also divided into equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. Means this is also half shaded. So the fraction which represent equal, they are known as equivalent fraction. Means 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6. Means in the first figure half is shaded. In the second figure also half part is shaded. In the third figure also half part is shaded. Means they are equal to, all the fractions are equal to each other. These are known as equivalent fractions. Definition. Two or more fractions, fractions which represents the same part of a whole, part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. In the 3 rectangles we have seen, in all the 3 rectangles, the half part was shaded. That means 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6 are equivalent fractions. Because 1 upon 2 means half is shaded, 2 upon 4 also means that half is shaded, 3 upon 6 also means that half is shaded. They are equivalent to each other. Clear? Now, how to find equivalent fractions? Right? How to find equivalent fraction? For example, how to find equivalent fraction? This is the first point. We have written the definition. We have understood what is equivalent fraction. Now, how to find equivalent fraction? Suppose the number is 3 upon 4. The fraction is 3 upon 4 and we have to find the equivalent fraction of this fraction, right? So what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. We have to multiply the numerator. Up number is called the numerator and bottom number is known as denominator. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number to get the equivalent fraction. So, we'll multiply 3 upon 4. We'll multiply 3 upon 4 first by 1. Both the numbers by 1. Right? So, what will be the first equivalent fraction? 3 upon 4. Right? This is the first equivalent fraction. Then, we have to multiply 3 upon 4. This is the fraction. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator both by the same number. We have to multiply by 2. Now 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Right? Next, 3 upon 4. This is the fraction. The third equivalent fraction, how we'll get? We have to multiply this by both numerator and the denominator by 3. So what will be the next equivalent fraction? 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So they are equivalent to each other. 3 upon 4, 6 upon 8 and 9 upon 12. So when we have to find the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Here we have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 1. Here we have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 2. Here we have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 3. So we have got the first 3 equivalent fractions. These are the first 3 equivalent fractions. This is the first equivalent fraction, this is the second, and this is the third equivalent fraction. So what we have to do to find the equivalent fraction? We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Clear? Another question. Write next two equivalent fraction of 2 upon 6. We have to write next two equivalent fraction of 2 upon 6. So next means we will multiply the number by 2. 2 upon 6. This is the fraction given. This is the fraction. So what will be the next equivalent fraction? Because first equivalent fraction will be 2 upon 6 only. 2 multiplied by 1 and 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 upon 6. We have to find the next two. Next two means we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. 2 upon 6 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by 2. We have to multiply both the numbers by 2 only. So 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. This is the next one. We have to find next two. So what will the next one? We have to multiply 2 upon 6 by 3. We have to multiply 2 upon 6 by 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So what will be the next two equivalent fraction of 2 upon 6? 4 upon 12 and 6 upon 18. These are the next two equivalent fraction. Clear? Next. So, finding equivalent fraction finding equivalent fraction by dividing. How to find the equivalent fraction by division method? So in that, what you have to do, you have to divide the numerator and the denominator both by the same number. You have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, the number is 8 upon 12. The number is 8 upon 12. The fraction is given 8 upon 12. And you have to find the equivalent fraction of this with the division method. So what we have to do? We have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So we'll divide this 8 upon 12, both the numbers by 2. First we'll divide by 2. Now in 2 table 8 comes how many times? 4 times. And in 2 table 12 comes how many times? 6 times. So what is the equivalent fraction of 8 upon 12? 4 upon 6. What will be the next equivalent fraction? Divide it 4 upon 6 by 2. This can be divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So what are the two equivalent fractions of 8 upon 12? What are the equivalent fraction of 8 upon 12? 4 upon 6 and 2 upon 3. These are the two equivalent fractions of 8 upon 12. Clear? So this is the method that we can find equivalent fraction with multiplication and with division. Now, how to check that they are equivalent to each other? How to check that the fractions are equivalent? Third point, check whether fraction is equivalent or not. How can we check that a fraction is equivalent or not? For example, I take fraction 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 12. We have to check that these fractions are equivalent or not. So what we have to do? We have to cross multiply them. What we have to do? We have to cross multiply them. 3 by 8 and 2 by 12. We have to multiply them. Cross multiplication we have to do. So we will multiply 2 by 12 and 3 by 8. When we multiply 2 by 12 and 3 by 8, if the product of both them are same, are equal, then the fraction is equivalent. So we multiply 2 by 12, we get the product as 24. And we multiply 3 by 8, we get the product as 24. If both the products are same or they are equal, then the fraction is equivalent. In this, both the products are same. 2 by 12 is 24 and 3 by 8 is 24. So 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 are equivalent to each other. So we will write 2 by 3 equals to 8 upon 12. So they are equivalent fractions. Because what we have to do? We have to cross multiply them. If we multiply and the product of both of them are same, then the fraction is equivalent. In this, both product are same, so they are equivalent to each other. Next, another example. Suppose the number is, fraction is 7 upon 8 and 2 upon 3. The fraction is 7 upon 8 and 2 upon 3. Are these fractions equivalent or not? So how we have to check? We have to cross multiply them. 7 upon 8, 2 upon 3. We'll multiply 8 by 2 and we'll multiply 7 by 3. Right? 7 3s are 21 and 8 2s are 16. Is both the products same? No. The products are not same. When we multiply 7 by 3, the product is coming 21. And when we multiply 8 by 2, the product is coming 16. So, both the products are not same. So, 7 upon 8 and 2 upon 3 are also not equivalent. So, we'll write like this. 7 upon 8, 2 upon 3. They are not equivalent. So, we'll put a line like this. This is an unequivalent. They are not equivalent. When they are equal, we put the equal sign. When they are not equal, we put equal sign and put a cut on it. I hope all of you understood how to find equivalent fraction. Thank you and have a nice day.